Here we have our bait delivery from ABC Baits online. So these were ordered 2 days ago. They've arrived this morning. This is the first thing I do with the bait when it arrives. So in here I've got a kilo of worms, 3 pints of casters and a gallon of maggot. First thing I do with the worms is I put those straight into a cool bag, just like that, and leave the cool bag open so the worms can breathe, and just leave those on the cold garage floor. Second thing I do is I pop these casters just straight into the fridge. These are vacuum packed, so they're fresh off the riddle and vacuum packed. These are going straight into the fridge, to the bottom salad drawer. And then we have the maggots. Now there's a quantity of maggot in here, there's over a gallon, so I'm going to be fishing a couple of matches this week. First thing I do is I open up the bait and I tip it into a large bucket, like so. I'll leave those maggots now for an hour. An hour's passed by and all the baits come back round, wriggling, really fresh. Excellent quality, that is. All available from ABC online, next day delivery. These are lovely fresh yellow maggots, they're absolutely massive. Really good bait at the moment. There we have 3 pints of clean bait, and what I'll do with that now is just put a small amount of maize in there. Just stir that round. Clean bait tub. Zip those into there. What we now have is 3 pints of prepared bait for tomorrow. Tomorrow's bait, all cleaned off and maized. All we need now is a good peg. What I'll do with that is put the lid on it. Now these boxes come with lids, solid lids, there's no holes in there. Holes in bait boxes are a waste of time. I'll put that into the fridge now. Those maggots will cool down and they'll slow back down, and they'll be perfect for tomorrow. When I'm setting up, put them on the side tray and they'll take about 10 or 15 minutes to come back round and they'll be perfect. What I now do with the remaining bait is I put that bit of sawdust wrigglings back into the bucket, and give that a shake, and I then place this lid back on there. This is an airtight lid. These are food containers, food catering buckets. So I push that back on firmly, so that's back on tight. That also goes into the fridge. Now each day I'll take the lid off and let the maggots breathe for about 20 minutes, then replace the lid and put it back in the fridge. Now the fridge is set to around 2 or 3 degrees, so these maggots keep cool. There's just enough air in there for them to breathe, but it does slow them right down. But what that does is preserve the freshness. So as long as you look after this bait by giving it 10-15 minutes to breathe each day, you'll be able to keep fresh bait for at least a couple of weeks.